let's try working through the challenge. So remember, make sure you make a copy of this file in your ICT folder. Number 1, change the color of the heading to blue. Let's go into my file, let's change the heading. I'll change it to blue, dark blue over here. Number 2, in cell B17, calculate the total for fall and spring by using a formula to add B15 and B16. So B15 and B16, it's those two, and in B17 you're trying to add these two together. Don't forget to do our formulas. Start with equals B15 plus B16. That's going to get me $350. In cell number 3, in cell E18, calculate the total price for new easels as E16 multiplied by E17. So E18 is going to be E16 times E17. Let's go to E18. So E18 is here. It's going to be equals to E17 multiplied by E16. So it's just these two multiplied with each other. It's going to give me $399.80. Number 4. In cell B23, calculate the remaining funds by subtracting B22 from B21. So we're in B23. B23 over here. It's going to be cell B21 take away B22. So equals B21 take away B22. And push enter. Gives you $212.54 remaining. Step number 5. Try seeing how cell references work by changing the non-reimbursed number in B22 to another number. Notice how the formula in B23 recalculates. So if I go to B22 over here, if I go to B22 and I change this number, it's going to influence this cell. So currently it's $212.54. If I simply change this to 100, it's now going to become 250 as this stays the same. It's 350 take away 100 gives you the $250. So that is how cell references work, just in this short example. Number 6, there is a mistake in cell E24. You have to add the formula in E24 to change the multiplication sign to a division sign. So in E24, all the way over here, currently it's E22 times E23. So you're going to have to fix that up. You have to start doing some division. E22 divided by E23. That gives you $3. Number 7. If the answer in E24 is $3, change the number of decimal points to 2, which will result in a more accurate figure of $2.50. To do this step, what you need to do is click on your $3 over here, and you're going to have to increase the amount of decimals. So that's over here on the top in the menu. Increase decimal places. If I click it once, it's going to change from $3 to $2.5. If I click it once more, it's going to increase another decimal so I can see another decimal place, and a 0 appears, giving you $2.50. Number 8. In cell B11, use a function to add up cells B4 to B10. So let's go to B11 over here. We're going to have to use a function that adds all of these cells together. Remember, our functions are on the top over here, the functions menu. We're going to use sum. That sum means add all together. Click on B4 all the way and drag all the way down to B10. So drag and drop from B4 to B10. Push enter. You get $319.04. Then it asks me, the last step, to make cells B17, B23, E18, and E24 bold. B17 over here. Bold. That's not B17. B17's here. Bold. B23 is the next one. Bold. E18 and E24. E18 and E24. Done. Read carefully for question 1. You have to turn the formulas on. Then you have to take a screenshot of those formulas. To do that, what you need to do here is go to your sheet, click on View, Show Formulas. I can see what formula I've typed in. Instead of giving me the answer, it just tells me the formulas that I've typed in each cell. So you need to take a screenshot of this and upload it to Style. Then you have to turn the formulas off and take a second screenshot, which shows the answers and not the formulas. That means go back to your View menu, undo the Show Formulas to get you your answers, and upload this screenshot.